right, guys. All right, guys. So I'm here at Margaritaville. So I'll give you a little video of the hallway. And I'm here at 368. And it's a really cool thing I wanted to show you all as far as the outside of your room. So number one, this is a doorbell. I don't know if you can hear it. It's a doorbell. And then you have two. You have room occupied and housekeeping. So I'm going to show you how you can change the lighting for either if the room is occupied or if you need housekeeping. So as we go in, they give you a wristband when you check in. And this wristband as well is where you can also charge a room. So on here, as soon as you enter inside of the room, you have privacy and service. So when you have privacy, that is when on the other side, it will show room occupied. If you want housekeeping, which they do housekeeping every single day, you hit the service. When you hit the service, then as you can see, now those who are doing housekeeping, which if you look all the way down here, they'll know to service your room. So as you enter, as you can see here, there's a door to your right. There are some rooms that have a connecting room, so you can connect two rooms together and be able to have one party in one room and have another party in another room. But as we enter, you have this kind of like this barn door that slides and opens up to the bathroom. In the bathroom, you have two sinks, and check out the handles. It's like fins, which is pretty cool. Then you have your rain shower here, glass enclosure of a shower, and you have shampoo, conditioner here as well. Let me see if I can show you. Yeah, shower gel, shampoo, conditioner, and then also you have, if you didn't want to do the rain shower, you can also do this handheld and have it that way. So you have that huge mirror. You even have a mirror here. We could turn on the lights for you ladies. And then inside here is a door. And then you have your bathroom. So I'm not going to really show, but it's a toilet in there. So as you come out, you have your closet, has an ironing board, has hangers. Let me show you that. Yeah, so you have your hangers here. And then you have your I would say almost, ceiling to floor mirror. So you have your mirror here, you have another mirror here. So you have plenty of mirrors in this room. So this is two queen beds, and I'm going to show you the view and I'll tell you what type of view it is. So I just wanted to show you it's two queen beds, and let's check out the room. So here you have drawer space here. It's nothing but 3 individual drawers. Water comes with your room, and the water is complimentary. So they have Pure Life here. As far as your water, they give you 4 bottles. You have your cups, your ice bucket. Where to get ice is actually at the very, very end of the hallway. That's where you get your ice. But you have this full desk here. And let me show you the television. Let me turn this on real quick so you can see it. So as you come in, you can see it says Margaritaville Resort Orlando. Good morning, Michael Patterson. It gives you the room number, it gives you the weather and the date. And it shows you another room type here that looks really nice. But it's pretty cool. You can go through your portfolio to see if you have any charges, your TV guide, guest directory, things like that. So it's a pretty nice feature. Then you have your telephone. And as you come over here, which is pretty cool, on the nightstand, you have a tablet. So let me show you this tablet right here. So in order to keep it charged, actually, let me just show you some features of this tablet. So with this tablet, you can click on iHeart. It's almost dead. Let me click on guest services. Oh yeah, it's almost dead. So basically it has guest services on here, and you can listen to music. It gives you the weather. You can set your alarm. But for some reason, it should be charging when I put it on here. I don't think it's charging. So, but it's a cool tablet. You can order food. You can see all the different activities that's happening at this particular property. They also have a spa, so if you wanted to look at and order spa services, you could do that as well. So that's a pretty cool tablet. And you have your temperature, your thermostat here to control the temperature in your room. And then right next, let me show you a bit more of the room here. You have your coffee. This is complimentary as well. So you have breakfast blend, English breakfast, all of that happening here. And then you have your mini fridge. Your mini fridge is in here, and boom. So if you want to keep something cold, you have a mini fridge. Don't miss out on it. All right, so let's check out the views. This is like the most important part, right? So one cool thing I like about this door, especially if you have children, is there's two locks. There's by the handle, you have one locked, unlock and unlock, and then you have a top lock as well where you can unlock and lock. All right, so we're gonna unlock that, and then you can open it. And so out here on your balcony, so every single room on this property has a balcony, and you have two chairs and a table, and this is considered a park view. And because of that, you have views of H2O water park, and even further back, if you look over here, if you look right here, that is Mount Everest at Animal Kingdom. So this is a really close property to to Disney. The closest theme park is Animal Kingdom, and if you're on level 3 and above, is a park view. If you're down on level 1 and 2, then you are in a resort style view. Okay, so the higher up you are, the better view you have. And then on the opposite side, there are the pool views where you'll see the pool area, which have some much better views if you want to have that kind of that pool view. But this is still a really nice view, and you have plenty of space out here, plenty of space. And so this is, like I said, 2 queens with a connecting room, and this is a great option for you if you want something other than staying at Walt Disney World, Universal. Very clean, has that beachy feel, decor to it, has that obviously that Margaritaville feel to it, and I just absolutely love it, especially all the different pictures and paintings on here. It is great. So if you ever want to stay at a property here in the Orlando area or any other area in the world, let me book you. I am Mike Patterson, Mike the Travel Lover. I'm a travel advisor going on 12 years in the travel industry, and I can help you with finding you the best accommodations based on your preferences and your budget. So make sure you reach out to me, and I'll help you with your needs. All right, take care.